Hey everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. Today I'm going to show you how to fix Wi-Fi disconnected on your Redmi Note 9 Pro. At first we need to turn on our phone, as you can see right now, and the first thing I'm gonna recommend to you is to update the MIUI system. At first open settings, and here tap about phone. Now tap on your MIUI version, and here if you have some updates, update your phone. Make sure you have the latest system patch installed, as Xiaomi released updates to fix Wi-Fi issues on your phone. It should help you. Apart from that, you can go to the let's go back to the Wi-Fi, and here tap on the additional setting here. Tap manage saved networks, and let's check if you have any of your networks saved. If you have, that's fine. If you don't, you have to contact your Wi-Fi network. Then go to Wi-Fi Assistant and enable Stay Connected, and have Stay Connected enabled. Apart from that, you can go to the battery saver here. Where is that? Here, battery, and disable the battery saver and ultra battery saver. Apart from that, you can forget and reconnect to your network. So to do that, go to your Wi-Fi here, tap this arrow here, here scroll all the way down, tap forget network, OK, and now you have to connect to your mobile network back again. Now you are connected back again, and here now I have to recommend to check if your phone does disconnect from other Wi-Fi networks. If it doesn't, it means that your router is actually the issue and you have to restart your router. Apart from that, you can reset your network settings. So at first, go straight to the settings, and here you have to go into some connection sharing option here, and scroll all the way down to reset Wi-Fi mobile networks and Bluetooth. Tap Wi-Fi and reset. It will reset all mobile data, Bluetooth and Wi-Fi settings, but I don't think it's that important. You can do it to fix your issue. Apart from that, you can update the router firmware or change the band. So this because the Redmi Note 9 Pro supports both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz Wi-Fi. If your router broadcasts both bands, try switching to the other. For example, if you are using 5 GHz, try 2.4 GHz, and if you are using 2.4 GHz, try 5. And apart from that, you can try the hardware diagnostics. So open the phone application and dial here, and now tap #6484 #. Now you can dial it. As you can see, mobile network not available, but if you're connected to your Wi-Fi network, it should help you. And that's it. Hope it helps you. Goodbye.